name's Emma Bowdler, and today we're going to talk about GST. GST is a goods and services tax that is charged on most goods and services in Australia. A common question that I get asked is, when should I register for GST? And there is no one answer for that. If you are starting up a business, it's most likely that you will have some significant outlays. If that's the case, then you would be worth registering for GST from day one, so you can claim back those input tax credits on the things that you're purchasing. So you do need to register for GST when your gross turnover reaches $75,000. It's a common misconception that that is either a calendar year or a financial year. Now that's not the case. If you turn over $75,000 and in any 365 rolling days of the year, you need to be registered for GST. If you're unsure if you need to register for GST, I'd recommend you talking to your accountant. Your business portal is your direct link to the ATO to update all of your details. To register for GST or PAYG, you can do this through business registration details. If you scroll down, you can select registrations. If you select the activity statement and choose tax type summary, you'll see in this example that there are no tax types added. To add a tax type, simply click Add Tax Type. In this example, we want to register for both GST and income tax withholding. Income tax withholding is applicable when you have employees. Are you required to register for GST? If you turn over more than $75,000 in any 365 days, the answer is yes. In this example, we're going to say no because we are registering on a volunteer basis. What is the date of your GST registration? What is your GST turnover? GST turnover is the gross sales you expect to make in a financial year. How often will you lodge your activity statement? You have the option to do this monthly, quarterly, or annually. In this example, we're going to choose quarterly. How do you intend to account for GST? Is it on a cash basis or is it a non-cash basis? A cash basis is when money is either paid or received. A non-cash basis is when an invoice is issued or when a creditor sends you a bill. In this case, we're going with cash. Do you import goods and services into Australia? In this example, the answer is no. Do you wish to register for access to the tax office's online services for business? What this means is that the ATO will notify you when you have lodgements due. In this case, we're going to say yes. Now we're going to add the income tax withholding details. Are you required to register for income tax withholding? If you have employees, the answer is yes. What date will you commence withholding? How many employees do you expect to pay? What amount do you expect to withhold from payments to your payees every year? How will you provide your income tax withholding payment summary annual report to the tax office? In most cases, if you have bookkeeping software that's taking care of your wages, it will be electronically. Will you pay royalties, dividends, or interest to non-residents or report investment income paid to Australian residents? In this example, the answer is no. What is the main industry that you operate in? You can now submit your registrations. There are some great benefits of registering for GST. but unfortunately, it is not a one-size-fits-all. I would recommend that you reach out to your accountant or registered tax agent to discuss what's best for you and your business.